chia, walnut.
At hindi nagsascan, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Sorry. 120 lang, ma'am. Wala na daw kayo second item, ma'am. Have you seen this before, ma'am? Sa TikTok? Thank you, ma'am. Do you want to be there din, ma'am? Hi ka, ma'am. Hello. Ay, sorry. Hindi ko pa nakita, ma'am. Okay lang. Tignan ko muna. Thank you, ma'am.
Ano po yung yung best seller nyo na?
Bukod dun sa pinili mo, ma'am. Like blueberry, coffee, lemon, yan. Yung ma-recommend ko. Nadagdag sila.
Pwede po ba mag-reserve? Or
For when, ma'am? Today din?
today din?
Sige, ma'am. Tapos babayaran mo na ngayon, ma'am. Sige po, ma'am. Sure, we can do that. What time will you come back, ma'am?
Maybe around
An hour, 2 hours later, parang ganun.
2 hours.
2 hours. Sige, 2 hours.
Chia po yung dinagdag.
Ma'am, hawakan mo lang siya, ma'am.
Yes po, pwede niyo po hawakan.
Chia dinagdag.
Chia, yun lang po yung dinagdag.
Magkano total?
Magkano po yung mochi sa loob?
340 yun.
Bread po siya, tapos may mochi sa loob. Ito po yung may mochi sa loob.
Ganito yung, ma'am, okay lang sa harapan ko. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung itsura nito, ma'am.
Saan po?
I mean, ito, ma'am. Ganito siya, ma'am.
Okay.
Ayan. Para you know that.
Three best sellers. Ito po ulit.
Can I recommend yung box ko na lang? 450 lang kasi yun. Tapos I'll put for our bestseller. Would you like that? Sige po, ma'am. I-arrange ko na lang. When you come back, ano na lang. Malis.
Which one po yung best seller?
Ito yung marirecommend. May matanda ba doon? Like sugar-free, ma'am? Diabetic?
Wala naman.
Then ito na lang. Kung gusto mo tong apat to, yan ma-recommend ko. Or isama mo si coffee, pwede rin. Strawberry, chocolate, coffee, tsaka lemon. Yan. Yan na lang apat ma-recommend ko sa'yo, ma'am.
Ano na lang? Chocolate,
Ah.
blueberry, and
mango. So, itong dalawa, tsaka ito, coffee, last one. Apat kasi, ma'am, 450. Sayang din.
450.
Yes, ma'am. So, makalis ka nun, ma'am. Pili ka lang, ma'am.
Can I try the strawberry one?
Oh, sure. Sure.
Pillow.
Looks like a actually feels like a pillow as well. Ayan,
Kahit tomorrow, malambot pa.
Yes, ma'am. Huwag mo lang iwan naka-open kasi magda-dry out siya, di ba, ma'am?
So, tapos maganda yung hindi masyadong toasted.
Ako, personally, gusto ko toasted. Eh. So personal preference yan, ma'am.
Wait for
Ayan, ganyan siya itsura
review.
niya. Ito, ma'am. Oh. Sige, ma'am. You can try it. Tsaka I use real fruits, ma'am. So don't expect na matamis siya, ma'am.
I just wanted to try.
Oh. Real fruits yung gamit ko dyan, ma'am. Oh. Thank you, mama.
Gumagawa rin kasi ako ng bread.
Ano talaga siya, ma'am. Tsaga-tsaga lang talaga, ma'am. Malambot siya, ma'am. Oh. Tsaka hindi siya matamis. Yun yung gusto ko kasi, ma'am, eh.
Not sweet, no?
Tsaka real fruits gamit ko, ma'am.
Ano oras ka gumigising every
Actually, kagabi, 10, nag-start na kami. 10. Normally, midnight kami nagsa-start. Pero nagkataon, marami kaming ginagawa. So, we move back a bit pa.
So every day you're here?
Every day yun, ma'am. Every day, walang tulog din, ma'am.
I'm sure
You take naps naman along the way. Pero, power na.
Madalas naman ako nagko-commute.
If you want, ma'am, may glorieta rin kami, ma'am. Alam mo yung second floor, sofa, ma'am. Yung papuntang SM Makati, papuntang SM Makati. Tsaka may siya, yung strawberry niya mismo parang may bits konti yan. Kasi real fruits gamit namin dyan, ma'am.
Saka 120 lang siya.
Yes, ma'am. Ganun ang kalaki, ma'am.
Thank you so much. I'll buy again.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so...
Kamusta yung taste, ma'am?
It's good naman.
It's good, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
I've been looking for this.
Okay. Are you from La Salva, ma'am, by any chance?
Yeah. I used to be
Pero not
senior
anymore.
high, yeah.
College, di pa?
I'm already in college, but I transferred. So,
I was going to ask your ID number sana eh. Pero I don't know.
I'm 122.
May ID number din sa senior high. 106 ako, ma'am.
Okay.
Hindi, I'll be back kasi there sa February.
Master.
For the bazaar.
Oh, okay.
Di ba may December bazaar, Valentine's bazaar,
Oh my God, yeah.
University.
Yeah, you should.
123. So 2 years ka na sa college mo.
Yes,
Yeah.
second year.
Second year.
Okay, so, kuya wala pong ube for this?
Hindi, ube ko yung nandun eh.
Okay. I'll just get strawberry na lang then.
Mag-email na lang siya. Yun yung ano. Yun yung ano.
Okay, isa pa.
Nandun yung email eh. Nandun sa plastic. Pakita mo yung plastic. Ha? Yung sinabi niya kanina, will you order that?
Yes.
Ah.
Accept payment.
And then, would you like to add one more or ito na? Chocolate, peach, mango, blueberry.
That's all.
Okay. Tabi ko naman, baka maubusan ka nun eh. Kasi we sell out fast talaga nun. Pero, have you seen this sa TikTok or sa Reels?
TikTok.
Oh.
It's always on my page.
Mhm.
And
Peach, blue, tsaka
I
chocolate.
always go back and forth to Singapore. So sometimes it would be on my page then. And then I was like, should I find this in Singapore? Or like, matsapuhan ko na lang in Philippines. But
Try the Singapore branch din, ma'am, if you have time. Where do you usually stay ba there? Orchard area, ganun? Orchard. Have you heard Jurong Point? Jurong
Yeah.
is, if you want, you can go there.
saan ba yung mga branches din?
Expo, ma'am, sa Singapore. Expo. Expo station is right after Changi City Point, eh. Changi City Airport, eh. And then, yung Jurong East, medyo malayo na yun, ma'am.
Yeah.
Kembang, I think, Serangoon, meron din Serangoon. Most of their branches are far away.
Yeah. That's all.
Kasi he told me the rent from the city is too much,
Yeah,
eh. Too much daw. Bag nga, ano. You want add one more, ma'am, no? So I can put it on the box.
The the mango.
Mango,
The
blueberry.
strawberry. Is
Okay.
it for?
Yes. For. Pengi din ako box, naka-box to.
Abot ang
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you sa support.
Kaya ba kahit ugly yan na video?
Hindi yan, ayun, no. Wala pang makeup yan, di ba, ma'am? All natural.
Yeah, kasi I have to go to the derma.
Dito rin, ma'am, sa Vanayala.
In Bello.
Downstairs.
Yeah.
Downstairs.
How much po yung box?
450 lang. What's your name again, ma'am? Sulat ko lang.
Ishi.
Ishi. I-S-H-I. What a unique name, ma'am.
San.
Do you want me to follow up you pag whenever, if for
Yeah,
example, after 2 hours you're still not here?
Ay!
Di okay lang, ma'am. Okay na. Sige, ma'am. I'll follow up you na lang. Is it the same number as Gcash, ma'am?
Yes.
Text na lang kita later. Thank you, ma'am. Bye-bye po, ma'am. Bye-bye.